Good morning. Welcome to Factory Plumbing channel. Today we have two issues in this kitchen sink. We have a water backing out through the garbage disposal side and also by the strainer. Also we have a water backing up in the air gap that's connected to the dishwasher, so every time she uses the water backing out through there and make a mess. So I think I already figured out what's the problem. There's a common issue. There are a lot of plumbers make mistakes. So if you guys do this, every time you guys install the garbage disposal, this is your garbage disposal right here. And this is the hose. It's coming from the air gap right there. So the black hose is discharging the water for the air gap, and the white hose all the way in the back. That is the hose is connected to the dishwasher. So the dishwasher draining to the air gap, and after that the black hose discharging to the garbage disposal discharges the water to the drain. So first of all, I think the problem is right here, that somebody else install this garbage disposal and they forgot to take it out the plug from there. So make sure you guys, when install garbage disposal, don't forget to take it off the plug, because this is what happened. This is what happened. You don't need to put it right there on the side. See if you guys can see what's going on. Alright. Alright, it looks like the water is going to drip right here, so we're gonna use this one to catch the water. We're gonna see right here, there's the cap I'm talking about. So this is the easy fits. All right, so right here, voila. It's not there anymore. Okay, so now what we're going to do is reconnect the garbage disposal hose and retie the hose. Alright, make sure you guys tighten it pretty good. Alright, Problem number 1 is fits. Now
¿y dónde está la otra? ¿Dónde está la otra? No, allá 2 traían ustedes. Go. Dos manzanas traían.
we're going to neck the line in here. This is a 4-inch cable that you can attach it to your drill. In this case we use the Milwaukee. Alright, and you can see the snake coming out to this garbage disposal, so now it's free. There we go. Alright. Make sure you guys don't forget to take it out the cap. See, if you know, you guys gonna have a lot of noise in there. And of course, recap these lines. So make sure you guys install this one to the proper ways, So these ones go right here. All right. And these guys, these little holes pointed this way. Issue number 1, it fits. Now we're gonna go to outside to see if you have a clean out. Excuse me.
Pásate. Esa es la que vamos a mover para el otro lado.
¿Para allá?
Sí. No, dije. No te me sales. Es de casete.
Oh.
No te sale la hoyo. No se salen ni los chamacos.
All right, so we are behind to the kitchen, and we don't have no cleanup. We're supposed to have a cleanup. This cleanup, they will work for the main line. Let's pick it up. I'm gonna go ahead and open it to see if we got water in there. If we got water in there, that's gonna be the right cleanup.
For baby too?
Yes.
Okay.
That's baby.
Alright, so let me go ahead and take it off. Clean it up. All the rocks out of the way. Alright. There you go. Now we gotta stop this right here. That baby. Gotta stop this right here. Lift it up a little bit more. There you go. Right here. We're gonna need to go grab a bigger snake. This baby. Of course, we have a lot of mess like every single plumber in here in Las Vegas. A lot of mess in here. But we're gonna use this little baby right now. This work is working good. It's working good. All right. Right. Make sure you guys lock the truck every time because you guys don't even know in what neighborhood you guys live in at. Right? Right. Now we're gonna need to snake this little baby. This little baby, they're gonna go. So we're gonna check right here. We got this. Where it's somewhere right here. Looking right. We're gonna open the water a little bit, see if everything's working good. I recommend this to running hot water because a lot of times it's a lot of grease accumulated right there. So when you, especially we're still in winter, we're in Las Vegas, but it's not too cold, it's not too hot, but we still, the temperature is low enough to the grease get frozen. Right back. see. There you go. It's a little hair and grease. Alright. So you can see the water don't coming out through here anymore. It's barely bad. This just a little bit of water, the splash. That's normal. So we're gonna go ahead and install this gin cap. Okay. Let's put the gin cap there. Sure, tying it pretty good. Right. Now we're gonna go over there and check to make sure everything's right. I think we got it. But just to make sure, we're gonna go inside to the house and look. Make sure everything is running. Make sure everything's running good. Look at what we got today. Huh? Look at what we got. This machine is working like a champion. Working like a champion. I'm gonna go inside the house, make sure you guys do a pressure test. Just to make sure everything is running good. You don't want to come back to the same house. All right. Look at that. Look at this. All right. So we're gonna fill it up. each point, we can put one in here, this side. A little drain. Draining. All those supposed to go